Just going to show you a little tech tip for seating bearings if you don't have the right size socket. You can see here, I've got one too big and then one too small. So where you want to see is you want to push the outer race down, and that way you're not going to damage the bearing. So I'm going to show you a quick tip on how to do that. Basically what you want to do is get your old bearing. As you can see, this one is completely shot. If you can, pick everything out of it so you've only got left with the outer ring, and then I'll show you what to do. So I've taken the outer race and I've cut down with the grinder. And with the race, push it in. Make sure it's seated, and then because it's got that relief cut, let me just grab some pliers. You can just pull it straight out. So that's enough that it won't get stuck. I think it's the perfect size for driving in your bearings. So if you've got a bike like this, so this is off my CR80, I can keep that now, and that's a special tool for seating the bearings.